Hi guys, I just had to record this. Matt's out in Yucca Valley and we're having a bit of a nightmare. I don't know if you can hear that wind, but it's supposed to be 25 to 35 miles an hour today. If you can see over there, all our bags have blown everywhere. I've had to weigh them down because I can't carry them all by myself. The canopy from the tent blew off and was over in the bushes. I've just had to go and get that. The worst bit there is the pool. If you can see that, it was there and it's completely blown over. It's upside down now. So, can you see this? You probably can't even tell because there's nothing. Oh no. Craziness, blowing everything around. There's dust flying everywhere. I'm worried about the tarp. There's enough water in the tank that that's going to be okay. I've just had to put chairs and things over the bags. There's stuff blowing around. The washing machine blew. It's usually on that table there, but it blew off. It was on its side. And Fred and I have just been to wedge the gate open because I had to go out and get the stuff and it was almost breaking the latch on the gate because of the force of the wind on the gates. Sounds like I'm making it up, but really it isn't. Like, I couldn't lean over the gate to open. Matt had locked it, of course, with a padlock when he went out. So I was in effect locked in. Couldn't open the padlock because I didn't have my glasses on. So that was fun. Hanging over the gate with it blowing around like crazy. Yeah, he's worried all the time, bless him. So I finally got my glasses, opened the gate, went and got the tent canopy back from way over. You can't see, but way over there somewhere, and I've wedged the gate open. You can see it. I don't know if you can see the gate blowing, but I've wedged it with cinder block. I might have to go and put another one out there because I'm worried it's going to snap. Like, there's a big crack on that one, right in the middle of the gate. So yeah, I don't think we're going to be building anything today unless it calms down in a bit. But yeah, desolation, devastation I should say. Let's just hope the tarp stays on the tent and the pool doesn't blow away. I think it'll actually be better where it is now. God. Okay. I hope Matt's going to be okay driving back. The road is very exposed. Yeah, kind of crazy. Desert life. I just can't wait till we have like solid buildings. Okay, we'll report back and let you know how we get on. Hi again, it's just me panicking. So, I don't know if this looks any different, but if you can see over here, you can see all that haziness. It's just all dust, sand blowing. See over there? All sand. So, nothing's moved, so we're okay so far. Wood. I wanted to show you this. Can't actually hardly see the mountains over there. Can you see? Usually, oh, here's Mina saying hi and in the way as usual. Get down please, Mina. This over here is usually a mountain, gorgeous mountain view. Sorry about the snotty window that the dogs keep doing. Can you see that? that is usually a lovely view, but no, it's just a dust cloud. So I don't know if I pointed that, I didn't point it out before, I don't know how bad it was, but usually you can see right as far as the eye can see. Not today. I'm really hoping the trailer doesn't blow over. So, what do you think, Fred? A bit scary, isn't it? Huh? A bit scary. It's a crazy wind. He came out with me before to go and get the tent canopy, and I don't know if you can see the whole place rocking. That's nuts, right? Can you see that? I'm not even doing anything. Oh god. Crazy. It's windy, isn't it? Yeah, he went over with me to get the tent canopy and ran off. Not anywhere bad, just ran back home and left me out there by myself. So cheers for that, Fred. Very helpful. So you can see the wall there. Let's see if we can see it that way. You see all the dust blowing by. Yep. And this is going to go on till like 5 o'clock, and then it starts to get a bit better, I think. I'm going to put you right outside so you can hear it. That's enough. Okay, I'm going to try and shut the door now. This should be interesting. Both bags aren't going to be... Oh gosh, that's jammed with sand. Yeah, those bag homes are going to be so much appreciated when we can get to build them. Okay.
Hey guys, I don't know if you could see or hear me. Psycho. I know Zoe's done some videos on this already, but I just got home and I'm like blown away. Pun, not intended originally, but I'll take it now. You can't see the hills right there. Like there's like a mountain right there, and you can't see anything. I'm hiding on the edge of the slide out. This is nuts. Like part of some things that were inside our tent, that's a shell of a tent that has the tarp on it, go away. So I don't even know how that happened, but it got under the tarp into the tent and was able to blow stuff out of that. And so that's just mind-boggling. Oh my gosh, that fell down. So this is just bonkers. I don't even know what to say. I'm not going to bother talking. So you guys will be able to hear me anyway. loose sand blew away. Now I gotta figure out. My ash is blown away. Very good. Let me get rid of this and see if I can fix that. I did something. It's a video of us watching a video of that storm out there. This sounds crazy. Look, it ripped the pool over there. There's so much sand in here. Look at the dog bowl, full of sand. Full of sand. Full of sand. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. My mom would be losing her mind. Here, folks, you want to hear something scary? When you're sitting on the toilet in the bathroom,
Yeah, that's ridiculous.
we're getting close to zero visibility. Not quite there yet. Huh, Fred? Oh.
It's horrible, isn't it?
Fred's like, this video is not for kids. Wow, you can almost not see the hill behind Chrome.